Today we will learn how to enhance travel photos with Lightroom. At first, click on the basic section. From here, reduce the temp to -11. Then reduce the exposure to -0.35. Reduce highlights to -100. Increase shadows to +33. Now reduce black to -49. Now increase DH to +51. Increase vibrance to +21. Then click on the masking icon at the top. Click on the linear gradient. Just select the sky. Now reduce the exposure to -0.44. Reduce highlights to -33. To reduce image noise, set the noise level to 60. Click on the Done button. Click on HSL color section. Click on the Saturation tab. Increase blue to +62. Now look at your photo. It's much better than last one. Thanks for watching the video.